Good morning. I was finally able to get my hands on the iced vanilla berry Red Bull. I'm so excited. This was my favorite Red Bull I've ever tried. And then they took it away. That is so good. I'm putting it in my koozie so it'll stay cold while I get ready, but I know I'm gonna need that today. The storm rolls in tonight into tomorrow morning, and it's been crazy all week. So I know today is just gonna be another day of crazy. Bioma sunscreen is so good. I have to pull out my thick concealer for some of these acne spots. I ripped all my nails off yesterday, so I'm working with nubs today. I'm trying not to dread today before it starts, but I am. A small pack. Well, this is what my blush looks like now. Hopefully that's not a preview into my day. Okay, let's go brave this day together.